Welcome back, architecture enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an amazing 3 BHK single-story house model in Revit, complete with a jaw-dropping 3D roof. And guess what? We'll even explore a step-by-step tutorial on how to create that stunning roof design. But that's not all. Stick around to find out how you can download this incredible Revit model and gain access to a treasure trove of over 10 GB of Revit families and models by becoming a CivilMix Patreon member. And if you have any Revit architecture requirements, remember that CivilMix has got you covered. Let's start by taking a closer look at this gorgeous 3 BHK single-story house. From its elegant facade to the well-thought-out interior spaces, every aspect of this model is designed to impress. And oh, that roof! It's not just a roof, it's a work of art. The intricate 3D design adds a touch of sophistication to the entire structure. But wait, how was this roof created? Let's move on to the tutorial. Creating a roof like the one in our model might seem complex, but fear not. We've broken it down into simple steps to help you achieve this look. Now, I know you're excited to get your hands on this incredible Revit model. Well, you're in luck. We're offering a direct link in the description below for you to download the 3 BHK single-story house model with the breathtaking 3D roof. But that's not all. For those of you hungry for even more Revit goodness, consider becoming a CivilMix Patreon member. Gain access to over 10 GB of Revit families and models that can elevate your architectural projects to a whole new level. Got a specific architectural project in mind? Need assistance with Revit? Look no further than CivilMix. Their expertise and dedication to all things Revit architecture make them your go-to partner for turning ideas into reality. Whether it's designing a dream home, planning a commercial space, or anything in between, CivilMix has the skills and knowledge to make it happen. And there you have it, folks. A journey through a captivating 3 BHK single-story house model in Revit, complete with a stunning 3D roof tutorial. Remember, the download link and the opportunity to access a treasure trove of Revit resources are just a click away in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more architectural wonders. Until next time, keep designing and creating with passion. Happy designing!